When you ask anyone in Maharashtra for a must-visit spot, this name comes up almost every time. With every kilometer, the excitement grew as we got closer to our destination. The road wasn't just a path. It was like a storyteller, sharing the beauty of this land with its lush greenery, small villages, and the quiet, the hum of early morning life. This ride, my friends, is about the magnificent, mighty Kumbhe Falls. As we ride deeper into the heart of this journey, here comes a moment I've been waiting for. Crossing the Kumbhe Tunnel for the first time. The entrance looms ahead, a dark passage cutting through the mountains. And the moment I entered, everything changes. The roar of my engine bounces off the tunnel walls. It's like stepping into another world for a few seconds. It felt like the tunnel just transported us straight into the heart of adventure. This, right here, is what riding is all about. These unexpected thrills that make every journey unforgettable. When we finally reached the viewpoint near Kumbhe Falls, it was like Sahyadri saying, "You made it." Watching the water crush down with so much energy, I couldn't help but feel grateful for this ride, for the journey, for the company, and for the simple joy of exploring this beautiful state, Maharashtra. Let's hit the road together and dive into the magic of Kumbhe Falls. So as now we are going towards Kumbhe, there is a place in between called Magaon. So from there we'll head towards Kumbhe. I mean Varanda Ghat, from the national highway I kind of explored some 20 kilometers from inside, because the thing is, like, I also want to come back from the same route, because Kumbhe is in the opposite direction. There are crabs here, man. Because of the waterfall, I guess. You can see a lot of crabs on the road. Small crabs. But whatever it is, like summer, monsoon, doesn't matter. But Varanda won't disappoint you with the views, man. That's for sure. Maharashtra was spicing up my adventure with lots of side quests. While I was taking some drone shots at Varanda Ghat, I met these two other cool guys who had same passion as me. Travel, capture, and enjoy the moment. We synced up pretty quickly when I think about it now. Vivek here travels with his car. He mentioned that there is another less known but a cool spot near Kumbhe Falls. And he said that, brother, you will forget about other waterfalls once we reach that spot. But first, we will all ride together to Kumbhe Falls, and let's think about the other place later. So, damn, it's gonna be funny actually. But what's happening now is, in the morning we went to Varanda, right? And I told you I met two other guys, Sagar and Vivek. So we three are going towards Kumbhe Falls now. And if you remember, yesterday I met Lohit, right, near Mahabaleshwara. So Lohit has also had gone to Kumbhe Falls in the morning, and he is at Nizam, which is like on the way to Kumbhe. He just called me just to check where am I, so I just told that I'm on the way. So what's happening now is he's gonna be joining us from Nizam to Kumbhe, and now it will be like 4 of us. Let's go, man. Maharashtra is becoming totally an unplanned adventure. Lohit!
पसीना पसीना हो बहुत ह्यूमिडिटी है।
वही तो ओ भाई, क्या गर्मी क्या है यार। ओ माय गॉड,
मेरा क्या हालत हो गया था, मैंने सब कुछ पहन लिया।
हाँ
उसके बाद नीचे उतरने के टाइम में मेरा हालत खराब हो गया।
ओ भाई साहब,
भयंकर वो ह्यूमिडिटी है।
अंदर चलते हैं। आई थिंक वो दोनों चले गए लगते हैं। ही इज नॉट पिकिंग, वील गो टिल टनल एटलीस्ट, है ना? उधर तक चले जाएगा ना?
जाना चाहिए।
हाँ। See, when you start traveling, you realize one thing very quickly, that this world is really, really small. And you never know who you'll end up meeting with. It's just a matter of taking that one random route. Trust me, you'll remember me once you start doing this. Let's go. So I just met Lohit now. There's Saga by the way, and that is Vivek on the front in the Innova. Everyone are going towards Kumbhe. Divided by engine, united by riding. Let's go. But wherever you go, the view you get here won't disappoint you. So if you can see here, there is literally a waterfall right in front of us. What I was observing was the road was becoming smaller and smaller and narrower as we were getting closer to Kumbhe Falls. The rough road was like an out of syllabus question, but Charlie did not even budge. The road here is not in that great condition, but it's alright. That's the fun of it, right? You need to have a mix of both, right? You have to cruise, you have to saddle, you have to sweat. And then you have to reach a beautiful location. That's the fun. I was having fun. The boys were having fun. I could see Lohit eating twisties in the mirror, and I was all smiling and said to myself, man, it was the right decision. Those lush greenery, narrow route, the wet mountain walls prepping us for the view, which is going to be one of the breathtaking creation of Mother Nature I'll ever witness. Let's hear what our DOP Vivek Bhai has to say.
यहाँ से ऊपर जाके राइट टर्न लेंगे ना, देन अगेन ऊपर जाएंगे, सीधा टनल आता है। ठीक है, आपको कंटिन्यू चलना है। सीन ये है, मैं यहाँ से ड्रॉप फ्लाई करूँगा, मैं आप सीन को ट्रैक करूँगा। ओके, मैं यही रहूँगा, आपको टनल के अंदर घुसना है।
I'll be honest about something. I have taken thousands of pics and videos of others, but this was the first time someone openly said that I'm going to take a video of you guys, so please ride forward. So it took me 28 years and a Sahyadri ride to hear those words. Excitement was on its peak because I had never entered a cave before and never experienced how it feels being inside one. Let's go! Oh my god. क्या जगह है यार. Oh my god. Man, that reverb. Oh my god. actually my first ever tunnel. Every twist of the throttle felt like a flipping page of a story I was born to tell. The sweat, the heat, the tiredness, the feeling where it was feeling difficult to ride in this scorching sun had already disappeared. Some roads don't just take you to a destination, they bring you back to life. We weren't just a group of riders, we were a tribe chasing that one moment when everything clicks. Every curve carved into the Sahyadris felt like it was written just for us. And before even I was realized, we were finally reached the base of mighty, majestic Kumbhe Falls. How much ever crazy we people are, we always analyze the situation and take action. You might be thinking why I'm telling all this, right? Because the way to conquer the Kumbhe is not an easy task. I'll tell you again, it's not an easy task. There goes a tiny way towards the Kumbhe point, but if you conquer this path, you, my friend, will be rewarded with this. At the base of Kumbhe, something shifted. Not the rocks, not the falls, me. I changed a little, I grew freer. This is Kumbhe Falls. There's something special about sharing this moment with friends. Every laugh, every pause to admire the view, every thrill of the ride makes it all more memorable. It's funny how strangers become friends and how moments become memories. I don't know how many times I told at this very moment that it's all worth it. Maharashtra won my heart once again. While I was staring at this mighty creation, it brought some calmness in a way I can't even describe it. This was one of those places where it unlocks your inner kid again, to explore more, to have fun again, to get lost again. There was a say I had read long ago which said, sometimes you don't ride to reach a place. You ride to feel it, to become a part of it. You don't plan these moments, friends. You collide with them. When accidents like these happen, they happen for a reason. At the end of the very road, it wasn't the view that hit me the hardest. It was the realization. We made it, and every second was worth it.